Reliability. Meaning of reliability. The idea behind reliability is that any significant results must be repeatable. Other researchers must be able to perform exactly the same experiment under some same conditions and generate the same result. This will vindicate the findings and ensure that all researchers will accept the hypothesis. Without this replication of statistical significant results, experiment and research have not fulfilled all of the requirements of testability. This prerequisite is essential to a hypothesis establishing itself as an accepted scientific truth. For example, if you are performing a time-critical experiment, you will be using some type of stopwatch. Generally, it is reasonable to assume that the instruments are reliable and will keep true and accurate time. However, scientists take measurements many times to minimize the chance of malfunction and maintain validity and reliability. At the other extreme, any experiment that uses human judgment is always going to come under question. Human judgment can vary as individual observer may rate things differently depending upon time of day and current mood. This means that such experiments are more difficult to repeat and are inherently less reliable. Reliability is a necessary ingredient for determining the overall validity of a scientific experiment and enhancing the strength of the result. Reliability is the consistency of your measurement, or the degree to which an instrument measures the same way each time it is used, under the same condition, with the same subject. In short, it is the repeatability of measurement. A measure is considered reliable if a person's score on the same test given twice is similar. It is important to remember that the reliability is not measured, it is estimated. For instance, if a test is constructed to measure a particular trait, say neuroticism, then each time it is administered, it should yield same results. A test is considered reliable if we get the same result repeatedly. According to Anastasi, 1957, the reliability of test refers to the consistency of scores obtained by the individual on different occasions or with different sets of equivalent items. According to Studala and Stordal, 1972, the reliability of a test can be defined as correlation between two or more sets of scores of equivalent tests from the same group of individuals. According to Guilford, reliability is the proportion of the true variance in obtained test scores. The reliability of test is also defined from another angle. Whenever we measure something, measurement involves some kind of measure. Error of measurement is generally between true scores and the observed score. However, if the psychological terms word error does not imply the mistake has been made. In other words, error is psychological testing implies that there is always some inaccuracy in measurement. Hence, goal of psychological measurement remains to find out the magnitude of such error and develop ways to minimize them. Methods of estimating reliability. There are a number of ways of estimating reliability on an instrument. Various procedures can be classified into two groups: external consistency procedure and internal consistency procedure. Let's have a look at external consistency procedure. External consistency procedures compare findings from two independent processes of data collection with each other as a means of verifying the reliability of the two measures. The two methods are the retest reliability and parallel forms reliability.